Welcome to the part 3 of Agribotics series. This is exactly the day the magic is going to happen. The science, the technology which we discussed is today going to be a reality. If you have this device in your house, you can literally slash your veggie cost by 50%. You no longer have to pester your husband or your kids to do veggie shopping for you, or they no longer have to stand in a very long queue. The best part is, from now on you're going to feed your family healthy organic veggies and you no longer have to spend much on your medical bills. Wanted to know how we built this robot? Let's get into the video to find it out. Firstly, we grabbed 4 acrylic sheets which is nearly 6 to 8 mm thick so that the structure is strong. We gathered different electronic components like a microcontroller, wire, a power adapter, pumps, sensors, and literally 33 different materials to construct this entire robot. You can also get this entire kit delivered to your doorstep and do it along with your family and kids. It took us an average of hour to 2 to complete this entire robot, but however, if you are an absolute beginner, it might take somewhere around 3 to 5 hours. You will also get a 5-day step-by-step guide where every guide has different activities so that you can also learn the concept, build your robot and code the robot in the most easiest way. Now you might get a question, will this even work? Just to acknowledge this, we have to tell that we have not created any new concept, but we have reinvented a device which is already available in the market. For instance, AeroGarden has a product which costs nearly $245 including shipping, but however you will be able to build it within half the cost. Rice Garden and Tower Garden also has another product which costs nearly around $300 to $500, where if you are going to build it yourself, you can literally cut short the expense by 50 to 60%. The device has a moisture sensor where the moisture sensor continuously speaks with the robot and makes sure the plant gets sufficient water, which means you no longer have to be worried about watering your plants, or you can even plan a very long trip. By the time you return, the robot is going to give you ready to harvest fruits and veggies. The device also has a temperature and a humidity sensor which creates the season which is actually required for the plant to grow healthy. It also has a light sensor where the plant can actually speak with the plant and turn on the UV light whenever it requires. Just in case if this device is kept somewhere near the window and if there is a natural sunlight, then the UV light is immediately turned off whenever the sensor detects it. You can almost grow 60 plus greens and a lot of rare medicinal plants for almost cheaper cost. Just the cheap cost alone doesn't matter. It is the health of your family and the experience you are going to get which matters so much. I'm very sure this experience is going to give your kids an entirely new thinking journey. If you have any questions related to this device, you can make a post in our Facebook forum and we are so much happy to help you out. Just in case if you wanted the kit, you can find the link somewhere around this video and we'll immediately ship the kit to your doorstep. See you on the next video.